Welcome to the Rosetta phone simulation. In this simulation, you'll choose a word and convert the images of letters of that word to a numerical code. You'll save this code, swap codes with a classmate, convert their code back to letters, and find their mystery word. To start the simulation, click the Code button at the bottom of the screen. For this example, the word hi was chosen to convert to code. The appropriate boxes in the top left grid area are clicked to change their color from dark to white. If you make a mistake, just re-click the box to change its color. Notice how the letter H fills the entire area of the boxes. After the letter H is created, click the Done button. Notice how the numeric code was moved to the area in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now, the letter I will be traced using the same method of clicking on a box to change its color. When finished with tracing I, click the Done button. The Clear button removes all of the numeric codes from the display area in the top right-hand corner of the screen. For this reason, be careful not to accidentally click this button, since all of your work will be lost. You have 3 ways to give your numeric code to a fellow classmate. One way is to simply write the lines of code down and switch codes with a fellow student. You can also output the code by clicking the Output Message button. Once clicked, you now have 2 options. You can either save the code to a file and electronically send the file to another student, or you can print out the code. Make sure to check with your teacher to see which method to use. Once you have swapped codes with a classmate, you'll have to decode their message. To do so, click the Decode button. Use the large 0 and 1 buttons in the middle of the screen to convert their numeric code to an image. If you make a mistake in the decoding process, use the Delete button to move back 1 space in the code to change its value. When you reach the end of their 25-digit code, look at the area with the grid with the boxes and decide which letter the code represents. Make sure to write this letter down. Click the Done button and move on to decode the second letter of the word using the same method. When finished decoding all the letters, write down the word you decoded and check with your classmate to see if you are correct.